iPhone XR is certainly one of the best iPhones to buy in 2020. Many people say that this iPhone was launched in 2018, so it is a pretty much old iPhone, but we all know that iPhones age really well. So guys, in my today's video, I'm going to be giving you the top 5 reasons to buy the iPhone XR in 2020. So without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, the top one reason to buy the iPhone XR has to be the battery life. Well guys, if you are looking for an Android phone or for any smartphone, the first and the best priority is towards the battery life. And guys, this is an area where the iPhone XR shines a lot. Well guys, with the iPhone XR, you are getting 2900 somewhat milliamp hours of battery life, which is a considerable big upgrade. Take example of the currently launched iPhone SE that is having a 1800 milliamp hours of battery, which is considerably low, but it will still give a all-day battery life for a normal user. But for a heavy gamer but for a heavy user, the battery life is not that great. Whereas with the iPhone XR, you are getting complete different story. If you are a very normal user, then this iPhone will give you 2 days of battery life. If you are a pretty normal user, you like to play couple of games, you like to watch lots of videos on YouTube and overall do all of the social media, then the iPhone XR will give you a all-day battery life. And in fact, at the end of the day, you will still have 20 to 30% battery left. So guys, overall, if your main concern is about the battery life, then the iPhone XR is a clear winner. And if you are a very extensive user, you like to play PUBG for 2 to 3 hours, and overall, if you are the max to max or the highest end user, still the iPhone XR will provide you all-day battery life. You might have to charge the iPhone later at night, but the iPhone XR really shines in the battery department. So guys, the top second reason to buy the iPhone XR is the overall design. All of the iPhones are always beautiful, and with the iPhone XR, there is no exception at all. The iPhone XR is certainly a gorgeous looking iPhone. It is available in 6 color variants, from which all of the color is better than the other. But not just in terms of the design, you are talking about a modern look. You are getting a notch type display. Again, the notch might be little bit annoying, but it is always better than the iPhone SE. The iPhone SE is having the dated bezels and overall a outdated design, whereas with the iPhone XR, you are getting a little bit modern design. And guys, I will easily prefer this design over any older generations. So guys, the top third reason to buy the iPhone XR has to be the processing power. Apple's chipset are always way more faster, and because of this reason, they age pretty well. Well guys, with the iPhone XR, you are getting Apple's A12 Bionic chip, which is a beast. You can compare Apple's A12 Bionic chip with the Snapdragon 855 Plus. So guys, if you are a heavy gamer and your top priority is in terms of excellent performance, then the iPhone XR is a clear winner. This phone might not have Apple's latest A13 Bionic chip, but Apple's A12 Bionic chip is no exception at all. It will give you a buttery smooth performance for a couple of years. Till 2023 or till 2024, you will have an incredible performance with the iPhone XR. And that takes us to the top fourth reason, and that has to be the software support. Take example of the iPhone 6s. It was launched in 2015, but in 2020 even it is having the latest software support. So guys, the iPhone XR was launched in 2018 and it will have a great 5 years of software support. From 2020 to 2023 or 2024 even, you will have the software updates. And guys, the top fifth feature to buy the iPhone XR has to be the camera. Again, with the iPhone 11 series, iPhone's camera mechanism has got lot of changes. You're talking about a ultra wide angle lens, you're talking about smart HDR and a dedicated night mode. But with the iPhone XR even, you're getting cool features. You're getting portrait mode with a single camera, you're getting different effects like studio lighting and all other portrait effects. And not just that, you are certainly getting one of the best video recordings on any smartphone. And overall, the iPhone XR might be a 2018's iPhone, but in terms of camera, you will not at all have any problem. You will not at all regret buying the iPhone XR. So guys, all of this top 5 features combining together makes the iPhone XR a value for the money package. Now you will say the price tag is just little bit too much. The iPhone XR is certainly at a pretty good price tag, but because of GST, the price tag has got a little bit increase and the iPhone XR is now available for around 50 to 52,000 rupees. But in fact, after the lockdown gets over, all of the shopkeepers will start giving discount because they want people to buy a new product. And guys, just to convince people that they should buy a new smartphone, all of the shopkeepers will start giving discount. So the iPhone XR will be available under 50,000 rupees and eventually the price will keep on decreasing. So guys, I hope that you have liked today's video. In today's video, I wanted to tell you that iPhone XR might be a 2018's iPhone, but in 2020 even, that it is a pretty much a value for the money package. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and if you like to stay updated regarding Apple's ecosystem, then definitely consider subscribing to our channel, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.